Friends, in today's video we will teach 2 and 3-year-old children how to write capital alphabets. If you have not seen this easy method till today, then friends, you must watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jessica Bright Beginning Academy. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Friends, today's video is very helpful to small children. I hope my video will be helpful for your child. You will get wonderful videos of small children study in our channel. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Now let's proceed. In this video today we will do how to write capital alphabets. Children's, today we will learn how to write capital alphabets. Okay, to write alphabets, first we have to make dots. Now all of you, are you ready for alphabets writing? That's great. Now we have to make dots like this. Now we have to make slanting line from this dots to this dot and this dots to this dot. Now we have to make slipping line like this. Now we have to make dots. We have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and we have to make wave from this dots to this dot. See how easily done it. Now we have to make curve. Now we have to make dots like this. We have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and curve to the left side. We have to make dots like this. And we have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and slipping line from this dots to this dot like this. We have to standing line from this dots to this dot and slipping line from this dots to this dot. Now we have to make dots and we have to make curve to the left side like this and slipping line, then standing line. See how easily done it. Now we have to make dots, standing line from this dots to this dot and slipping line. We have to make slipping line, then we have to make standing line. We have to make standing line and we have to make slanting line like this. We have to make dots like this and we have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and this dots to this dot. Now we have to make slanting lines like this. We have to make dots like this and we have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and slanting line from this dots to this dot. We have to make dots and we have to make circle like this. We have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and curve like this. We have to make dots. We have to make circle like this. See how easily done it. We have to make standing line from this dots to this dot and half curve like this. We have to make dots and we have to make wave from this dots to this dot like this. We have to make slipping line from this dots to this dot and standing line from this dots to this dot. we have to make dots like this and slanting line from this dots to this dot. Like this. We have to make standing line and slanting line like this. We have to make dots, slanting line from this dots to this dot and this dots to this dot. We have to make slanting line like this. We have to make dots like this and slipping line from this dots to this dot and slanting line from this dots to this dot. See how easily done. Look how easily we wrote alphabets. Now you also teach your children to write like this. Okay, guys, if you find my today's video helpful, then share it with other parents too. If you like the video, then please like also. And if you are new to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you, take care, and thanks for watching.